Hey guys, we have a Frigidaire heavy duty extra large capacity washer dryer, and the dryer's not drying very well. It's just not getting the clothes dry. So we're going to take a look at a couple things. Pretty easy to do on this model. So we're going to pull a couple of Phillips head screws out from this middle panel. It's going to give us some good access to the dryer components. I'm going to lift up a little bit toward me, this panel off, and got pretty good access to the igniter straight ahead of me right in there. That white thing, it's the igniter. These are the gas coils. These are a couple of things that can cause it to not dry. If the dryer vent tube is clogged, and it can't get rid of the heat, it can overheat and it can trip a thermal fuse, and that can stop it from drying too. Let's turn it to dry and just watch it. Not hooked up to gas right now, but we can at least see the igniter. We're going to go to normal dry. Time dry is probably even a better experiment if you start it early in the cycle. Push start. So it's spinning good. You should see the igniter start to glow. And that's good. That igniter is glowing nice and bright. And again, since we don't have gas, it's not going to create a flame. But it looks like it's bright enough where it would. So I would say this one, if it's not drying well, yeah, we just heard the gas coil kick in. So if it had gas flowing, it would have lit up that big flame. So in this case, I would say that if it's having trouble, the dryer vent tube is probably blocked or somewhat occluded, and cleaning that would do the trick. But if you're not getting any igniter, you don't get any glow at all, could be that you need to replace the igniter, which would be pretty easy to do. Or even easier is to replace these gas coils. There's primary and secondary coils right here. Just take out a few Phillips head screws. You can pop these off, and they're really inexpensive, and that'd probably be the first thing to try. And if you still don't have your igniter glowing, you can go ahead and replace that, which again is going to be pretty easy to get to from this location. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. And also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.